It's the last day of the cruise, and it's a day at sea. We've just been doing a whole bunch of stuff on board. We went swimming. It's actually kind of cold out. There's not a lot of people outside today. We also went to this spa seminar. What would you say that was about?
It was fun. It was about like Chinese medicine and like how they use certain like herbal techniques to heal the body.
When we showed up there, we didn't know like what exactly it would be, and it ended up being like this, like set up like a classroom. I got a quick video of it. Yeah, we did not expect anything, so the fact that we got a free consult out of it and some good resources, really good. Yeah, it was still super cool. But right now, we're gonna be doing Harry Potter trivia.
We have somebody with a 26, who has also 26, or who can be maybe 26. Now never.
Just got done with Harry Potter trivia. I did all right.
I didn't even have a chance. I mean, I tried like the first two and I was like, nope. And then I just looked at yours and I was like, I'll just help out Jason.
Yeah.
If I can.
If you want to play along, here are the questions on screen right now and the answers are in the description. Hopefully you do better than I did. We're at the arcade, and that is actually the meta quest that I plan to get myself right as we get back. And should I just try to win it here?
No.
It'll probably cost me to, like, whatever it is to get it.
Yeah, no, I think you just get it, right? So.
Yeah, I might as well just get it off of Amazon. Actually, this is only 128 gigabytes. The one I'm gonna get is 512, so yeah. To serve you this cruise, we have danced for you and made you smile. Already when so lonesome, we will cry. So sad. It's the last dinner of the night, and they just sang their goodbye song, and already I'm so lonesome that I will cry. But we're enjoying one final steak, and you got the penne pasta. Oh, it's really good. We got even more planned for tomorrow because we're not going home just yet. We're staying in New Orleans for New Year's, so get excited for that. And we'll see you next time. But yeah, it's been an amazing cruise. What was your favorite part?
I think Cosmo was my favorite.
Me too. Paradise Beach was magnificent, all-inclusive.
And the food.
Mm-hmm.
The hot tub.
The hot tubs were nice. Just like the last cruise, everyone here is just so nice and so talented, and all the shows that we got to see, the comedians were hilarious.
Yeah, the performances, so good. Just the little events, you know, things for us to do throughout the day. You know, it's just, we were never bored. There was always something to do. So.
If you're ever wanting to go on a Carnival cruise, we're on the Carnival Valor, and we've been loving it. And the last one that we went on was Carnival Sunrise. So thank you, Carnival staff, for making it so amazing. And yeah.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Hey everybody, and welcome to New Orleans. Welcome back actually, because we just got off of our cruise. I'm not sure if this New Orleans video has been just like all in one and I just did a time skip, or if I uploaded chronologically, so I'm just recording this intro in case so I could have it. But we're back in the US and we're staying for one more night for New Year's Eve. And we're making our way to the Airbnb. And We're walking through this back alleyway.
The main reason I wanted to go this way is because you know how like an airport and all that stuff works where like all the Ubers are like traffic jammed and it's just like you can't get out.
And more expensive.
More expensive, so I was like, let's go. The mall is right here. We could check out the mall for a little bit and then we could get an Uber from the mall.
So this is usually the part of the trip that you guys don't see, where we're just like walking and it's a whole bunch of like traveling and like transition. And I cut this part out and I actually have a lot of behind the scenes unreleased stuff. And I had this idea, what if I like released all of the stuff that I usually cut out? And I don't know what I'm saying, hold on. I have a whole bunch of stuff from every single trip that I went on. And I thought that would be a cool concept, so not sure when that's gonna come out because I might want to wait until we do a few more trips until I could like release it all at the same time. But that's the ship right there. You can see the whale tail, and it's probably our last time seeing the Carnival Valor. Goodbye. It's all right. We want to start doing more cruises. Yeah. In the future, because
we met so many people that were like, yep, we just cruise like 2 or 3 times a year, and they're just like, this is like a lifestyle thing, and I'm like, huh.
Yeah, and we want to do that. Also, shout out to the family that sat across from us at dinner. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you're seeing this video, and hope you guys had an amazing time and safe travel back home. I wonder if the mall's even open. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
It opens at 10? Okay, so we're a little early. See,
what time is it? 9:30?
It's 9:14 right now. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is the part in the video that I would usually cut out, but I'm gonna keep it just for this one. A little sneak peek to that special video that's coming in the future. What are we gonna do now? I don't know, because it's closed.
Let's see, because maybe other stores are open.
Yeah, okay, let's look around.
I definitely want to go to Nordstrom Rack.
The one that's closed behind us?
Yeah.
So we're actually in town for the Sugar Bowl, and the Georgia marching band and football team is passing by right now, and they have a police escort. That is really cool to see. Whoa. A few hours later, we are at the Airbnb and we took a fat nap because that was exhausting, everything we've done today. But look at this. It's a shared communal space, and our names are here. And something else that's really cool is nice living area, and over here, every person that stays here gets to sign the fridge. So at the end of the trip, oh, they're from Chicago as well. At the end of the trip, we're gonna sign it. But right now, we're gonna head to Acme Oyster House, a very famous place that Veronica told me to go to. And they have fried oyster and po' boys and gumbo and a whole bunch of other things. I don't want to dox this address. And then we're gonna go to the movie theater because it is New Year's Eve, as you know, which means the Stranger Things finale is coming out. So when we woke up from our nap, CJ said, I have an idea, what do you think? And then she showed me a nearby movie theater, and I totally forgot Stranger Things was showing in the theaters.
I didn't even, so my brain was just like, what can we do that doesn't require stuff like, you know, having to like constantly spend money or whatever, and the show is like 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
It's like literally a movie length, so
yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. And then we don't have to worry about like seeing spoilers when we're like at the airport or like scrolling or anything. I think I want this though. Thank you.
Okay.
Because it comes with hot puppies.
Okay.
And french fries.
Super good. Thank you. Alright, just got served. We got the fried seafood platter. She's gonna try the fried fish, I'm gonna try the fried oyster. Oh yeah. Oh! nice. Woo! Hell yeah. Woo. Nice. Ashley! Cool. Oh my god. Excuse me, sir. Look at that. Well, we're trying to find the movie theater, and we ended up going in the back rooms, and we can't get back the way that we came because it's locked. So, that, no. Nope. You could hear the marching band though. Or here, let's try that. Just, no, it's a fire exit. What about this?
This looks very bad.
Yeah. These probably aren't working. Nope.
Alright.
Hello. We're looking for the movie theater. I don't know how we ended up back here. Right here? Yeah, thank you. Oh, dang. So that's what we were just at. Dang, so we just got to the movie theater and they're sold out. So, it's alright. Hold on. We could see, you want to see FNAF 2? Dang. That's rough.
There are other movie theaters around here.
Yeah, we could try. Alright, well, we're trying to browse theaters on the area, but the only seats in every single theater that we see are right in front of the screen. So, what do we think? Should we keep looking or? Huh? No. Alright, what do we think? Should we see it?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Well, if we can't see Stranger Things, I guess we'll see real cinema. Actually, I heard it was terrible, but it'll be funny.
What, Five Nights at Freddy's?
FNAF 2, yeah, I heard.
You heard it was terrible?
Well, I mean, like, not like. Well, I don't know. Certain people like it. Well, it's FNAF. Like it's.
I thought the first movie was good.
Yeah, I thought it was good. Like I'm probably gonna like it. How was it?
So loud. We review it after.
Yeah.
It was pretty good. I mean, there were a lot of jump scares, but overall, I mean, it had a good story. I liked the animatronic design. That's what they got right. Certain parts, well, they had to change it, of course, like for the sake of the movie. That was different from the game. I don't know, like, it was just kind of what I guess I would expect from it. Having played the game like growing up, I did like it at the end of the day. If you had to give a rating out of 10, what would it be? I think I'm floating around like the 7 mark, maybe 6.5. Yeah, I was about to say 6.5.
Yeah, so we're like what, 6, 7 around there?
Yeah.
So for Christmas, CJ's aunt got her this thing. It's an app where it basically gives you an audio guided tour of wherever you're at. So we're about to do, what's it called?
It's called Let's Roam.
And it's a ghost tour. And this is where we were supposed to meet. And it's funny because that group over there, we think that they're doing the same exact tour, but we're just doing it on our own.
Yeah.
The Bourbon Orleans Hotel.
Guests have reported seeing ghosts of nuns here, and that is no surprise since it used to be a convent. What was its name? Look for the historical marker by the bell desk and lobby entrance.
Is it this one? No. So is the ballroom actually haunted here?
The ballroom?
We're taking the ghost tour.
Well, let me show you.
Oh yeah, that'd be great. She's showing us the ballroom. Oh. Thank you. Wow. The chandelier? Sure. Over 250 years old.
Dang.
What? Oh, so that's
Who
like
took that?
supposedly the
Dang.
nun
The nun.
that you could see in here. Whoa.
Look at that.
Oh, you see
Yeah.
his face.
The nun.
Right here.
Oh man.
Can I take a flash picture in here?
Go ahead.
Oh my god.
Y'all know I've never been here while I was dope like this.
Okay, I'm actually.
We're gonna do this together.
Here Maybe like try to catch orbs too. Here, Jason, you get in it.
Okay, so yeah, I'll stand here while you. Thank you for showing us that. That's so cool. Wow. So we just got a private tour. I legit just went up to the worker, just making conversation like, so is the ballroom actually haunted? She's like, here, let me show you. And she did.
For Jason's photo, like it wasn't in my phone until like 2 minutes after.
Huh.
And you know, like there is saying that like spirits mess with technology.
Wow.
And so this photo took way too long.
Let's go! Yeah, you got that. We're enjoying some live music and watching the Ohio and Miami game, and we're getting dinner. I got even more oysters, and she got a cheeseburger.
The original way you say it.
That's how cheeseburgers were originally made, with that kind of bread, so should be really good. Alright, well we headed back to the Airbnb. It's not midnight yet, it's 11:09, and we decided to just head back because we did everything that we wanted to. We got some amazing food, listened to the music, and mainly because we wanted to watch Stranger Things to avoid spoilers. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was also the year where I hit 10 years on YouTube. Yeah, it was my first like serious video. I uploaded it in 2015, and I hit 10 years earlier this year, maybe a few months ago, and it's crazy to think how long I've been doing this. If you had told 15-year-old me that I'd still be uploading 10 years later, I would have believed you, because I just love doing this so much. Thank you to everyone who is watching this video. Thank you to everyone who's been in them. This has just been an amazing year. And we're actually getting married next year. That's crazy. We got we got engaged in December 12 months ago.
Yeah, so this has been a year of engagement.
Yeah, and another year of traveling and vlogs and a whole bunch of stuff. So thank you guys. We'll see you guys next year wherever we travel next.
Because you know we're gonna travel again.
And we'll see you there. Bye.